I gotta show you guys this. It's from Virginia's water ball. Frozen solid. Playing hockey. Let me see it. Get out of here. Hold on, let me get it, kick it. Whoa! Ow! That sounded like that hurt, Bubba. You gotta be careful. Oh, that hurt, huh? That was a good tumble. Hey, hold on. Let's take it out of the ice so you're not eating shit. Come on.
Alright, we're waiting for the bus on Virginia. Well, at least with us being on the bus for as long as we need to, Virginia's feet will dry out. She doesn't like wearing her boots. So, can't force her to do something she don't want to do. But
It'll be here in just a sec.
yeah, pretty much the bus stop's right there. So, we're just waiting over here. So, we're pretty much dry. But, yep. Happy birthday, Brian from Detroit. But, alright, well, we'll see you guys later. People haul ass right here, too. Maybe I'd take that corner. So that's another reason why we don't want to stand right there. The bus pretty much comes and then goes into that neighborhood and flips a U-E. So we'll be able to be over there by the time he or she gets back.
Alright, so everything's done. Did some good old chuck steak. Little Virginia's getting her tax.
Yeah.
The troll tax. So he's just warming up some tortillas. But yeah, it's pretty haggard, but
It worked.
it works. And Virginia is waiting so patient and being a good girl. Yeah.
Here you go, Bubs.
But yep. Got to mix in some greens in there every once in a while, you know. But right. All right, there's downtown St. Louis. And the team, we are walking to go wait for a train. We probably already missed everything for the day, but yeah, like where we're going, it's just a luck of the draw when something stops for you. But it's all good because you got like a little store close by, decent camping. We've gotten away with having little fires over there.
Coyotes.
Yeah, big coyotes, that's for damn sure. But so yeah, we may get out here tonight. It might be tomorrow. The IMs, they've been coming in afternoon-ish. That's what it seems like the past few days, because we've been hanging out a little bit further down the tracks, just kind of kicking it. And yep, so we're gonna run to the store. Hope we can find some damn fuel. We just didn't feel like going all the way out to Walmart shit, so we were relying on the grocery store to have it, and they didn't, which normally they do. Normally grocery stores carry it. It's the little like green Coleman bottles of propane, but whatever, we'll just get it when we get out to Kansas City. We'll make do with, we still got a little bit left. We'll just
We're gonna be eating cold hot dogs.
well, and to at least cooking hot dogs, it don't take much fuel to do it. But yep, all right, we'll see you when we, I guess, get down to the spot, and we're gonna be sitting, see what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna, how late we'll stay up. Deuces. Yeah, so we made it to a little spot. It's a little different. It looks like they're getting ready to build some stuff here, which, you know, it's good, I guess, to see
There's a snipe. You should see.
commerce moving along and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just a bummer for delinquents like ourselves, you know, because a lot of these places you like rely on and all this and that, and then
Chill out, Bubs.
they're, you know, are there for years and years, and then, you know, one day, poof, there's a new building or whatever the hell.
That's how it goes, bro.
Yeah, that's the way the crook.
Changing up on me.
Yeah, they're changing it up on me. Fucking dirty Joe. But yep, just having a little.
Well, we didn't get the propane, so we only got a little bit of propane, so we're having a fire to cook dinner.
Yeah, we got like enough propane that should last for the train ride, but yeah.
But once we get a KC, we'll be able to buy it at the Walmart. So.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the first time we've really had any trouble, but like I was saying earlier, it's just, we could have took the metro and all that crap to go to like a Walmart or
Target.
yeah, one of them places, you know, but we just did not do it. I guess you could say it's being lazy, but it's on me, not her, you know. So I'm going old-fashioned with it, having a little fucking cowboy fire. And we'll fry up some dogs, diggity dogs. Well, Fire Marshal Sylvie.
Yeah, they catch it on fire.
Yeah, you can kind of see it out there. The arch, way the heck out of there. This camera has like the GoPros have like a fisheye, but I guess you can make it to where it's no fisheye kind of, you know, wide angle. But then it just, I don't know. I like the look of the wide angle. Yeah, something just came by, but yeah, they creep so slow through here. Cause yeah, there's a diamond. Not really. I guess it's kind of like a diamond. Not really though. It's not a straight, you know, crossing. I don't even know how to show it, but like an X. It's not like that. It's almost more reminds me of like a siding kind of junction. I don't know the name. I'm sure there's some sort of like technical term for it, but I don't know it. But that's why they get held up. And then because you got BN literally just right there, you can't see, you know, there's some tracks a little bit closer than that coal train right there, if you can see it. But yeah, eventually they merge and have to like kind of cross over each other, so stuff will get held up. Amtrak will hold shit up too. You got Amtrak down the way, you know, maybe like a mile or two. It's basically downtown. It's right by the Blues Stadium, like the hockey team, St. Louis Blues. Yeah, we wanted to go over to go film. We just didn't do it because we were on the bus.
Church.
Yeah, well, it's the church that's on the it's on Grand and
Oliver.
Is it Olive? No,
What is it?
that's the street we went down on the bus. But that's where, like, that movie The Exorcist, like the original one, you know what I mean? I'm pretty sure they've made like remakes of it and shit, but the original one, that's where like the pastor or the priest, you know, worked at or whatever, the old drunk fucking priest. But yeah, the campus is really cool. Like some of the buildings are super old, but you know what I mean. The church though is really neat looking. You looking, trying to find the street?
Yeah, hold on. I'm on Jefferson Avenue. Hold on.
Grand and Lindell, I think, is what it is. I think it's Lindell. This is the cross street from Grand. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, yeah, well, when Sylvie finds it, she'll find it. But It's a really cool city.
There's Wendell.
Yeah, Wendell should run east and west.
McDonald's, that's too far down. It's called St. Francis Xavier College Church. Or,
Yeah, but what's the cross street?
Wendell and
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Grand.
You're bad at this mapping. Come on now.
Yeah, it's Wendell and Grand.
All right, Wendell and Grand.
Pretty sure that's it, right?
Yeah, I'm 100% sure that's it. But
It's called St. Francis Xavier.
St. Francis Xavier Church.
But yeah, it's like, so Grand turns into Father Bodon S.J. Way, B-I-O.
Whatever, dude. It's basically Grand though.
Yeah, but that's the church right there.
Yeah, but it's from that movie The Exorcist. I'm sure some of you folks have seen that movie because, yeah, I think most of the folks who watch us actually are like in their 50s and plus. But I was gonna say something.
Yeah, we were gonna get off the bus and check it out.
Yeah, but we didn't. But yeah, there's a really cool city though. We just never really hang out in downtown. I don't know. Most downtown's kind of like,
So,
yeah. Well, it's not like.
gunshot. Someone got killed.
It's just like, I don't know, downtown. There's no point for us to like go down there. The only reason why would be to like go gawk at buildings and like film stuff, I guess. But we don't even do that. So, yeah, there's just no point going down there. And surprisingly, the downtown's actually pretty dead normally. But when there is, like, during the summer when the baseball season's going on, the Cardinal Stadium is awesome. There's a street that goes up above the, so on the outfield, there's a street, it's a public street you can walk on, and you can see down into the game. But then they have, like, you know, restaurants and bars where they have like 2 stories and shit like that, so you can go and, you know, if you wanted to, you know, go have overpriced drinks, probably get some shitty hot wings for too expensive or whatever, and watch the game. But you can just walk, you know, walk down the street and you know, peer down kind of into the field, which is pretty neat. But yeah, definitely probably one of my favorite cities. Like, as far as like major cities, like here in Chicago, I think are my favorites that I can think of on the top of my head. But yeah, all right.
Because the cigarettes are cheap and the beer is cheaper.
Yeah, that's the truth, Missouri, man. Yeah, if anyone's ever here and you're a broke ass and you're riding the trains or whatever, and you smoke, if you get off the train in Illinois, if you can avoid, like if you have, you know what I mean, you have enough to get your nick fixed before you head across the river.
There's an ambulance too where we heard the gunshots.
Yeah, these things happen, man. Shit gets serious sometimes. But just wait till you cross the river into Missouri, and then it's reasonably priced. Literally, it's half the price. Fucking, so yeah, so if you're a smoker and a drinker, definitely good town, that's for sure.
There's the Mopac, Missouri Pacific Line Heritage, and Noah's got that shirt on. What? So we just called it a night last night. I was fucking tired. So we just went to bed. There's a BNSF train coming, so this is gonna stop. But yeah, I just wanted to show that. Alright, you can see the skyline of St. Louis. So, we're out of here. right before the rain hits, so it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll be getting the rain once we're in the next spot. So, but at least we're not here, so that's a good thing.
Casey looked like it should be all right.
Yeah, but let's see, like I said. But we are on, I'll say, shitty ride, but it's not too bad, I guess. Just hate riding the ends of the couplers, so you feel more of the train, but alright, we'll see you guys later.
pulling into the Neff yard. Yeah, this is the ZDUNP, it's a Dupa to North Platte. And it apparently works, Neff yard. yard's more or less dead these days. They used to have a bunch of originating like junk and I think a few IMs out of here. Now it's, yeah, I don't even, I think they may have like one originating junk train out of here now. It's all like local switching, I think now, most of it. Yeah, cool, we'll be able to get off and go. There's an abandoned silo on the side of the yard. We're gonna check that out tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be able to go to it. Yeah, we'll check it out. Alright, we're off. Virginia. Fucking gonna give Mom a heart attack. I hate you! But yeah, we're just waiting for this. So that's our train. He's working. So we're just waiting for him to do his work so then we can walk out and just cross over at the throat, just right down here. But we're just gonna wait for him to do his thing so we ain't getting in the way. What are you doing, Virginia? But all right, we will see you in the morning.
All right, we're just getting up. So we didn't actually go to bed till like 5:30 in the morning, but secured Taz. I guess I got a rental cop here, and he literally, once we were moving our shit from the bushes to right here, he like rolled down his window and started honking at us. And then he seen us go back in the bushes, so he went all the way around and was up on property and just rolled down his window. And then he came back and rolled down his window and was taking pictures of us. So like, yep, this is a park, dude. But yeah, literally we found like 3 ticks already, so it's tick season.
Oh, you found more?
Yep. And I didn't find them on Virginia, but damn, that's crazy that it's already tick season. But yeah, I guess we're gonna take Virginia to a checkup in Arizona, and then I guess we gotta get her the barf, I don't know, what are they called, the bar something, barful. They're like, yeah, they're like a 3-month supply of cookies. It's like just one hockey puck type small cookie that's for 3 months, so for the ticks and fleas. So when I get her checked out for her UTI, I think she has, we'll get her that as well, because they usually don't charge us for a vet visit. They just charge Virginia for just the medications we get, so which is awesome. And he's like super nice. So so yeah, she's got, like I said, a couple vets around the country that she goes to, and they know her, so beats going to places we don't know to get overcharged. Huh, Virginia. Alright, well, we're gonna be getting on the bus soon, so we'll see you guys once we're at the other spot to get out of here.